Hi guys, this is Brenos from AOC again on our another distilling video. Last one we were talking about hydrometers. You'll notice on the outside of the box it clearly says 0 to 100%. Now, as you know, with home distilling, you're not going to be reaching 100% of ethanol. The reason there's 3 hydrometers that they'll send you, as well as just a standard thermometer. Now, in your brewing kit, they'll just give you 1 hydrometer because really you're brewing. I mean, you're really not going to get above 7%, so from 0% to 7%. However, I mean, when you're distilling, you're looking to get 95%, up to about 93% of your purity. So these 3 hydrometers, if one of them goes from 0% to 40%, that fellow there, let's have a look at this one. This one over here goes from 40% up to, it looks like 70%. And then the final one here, this one here goes from 70% right up to 100. So with your distilling, it's really going to be the 70 to 100 hydrometer that you're using, because I mean, your first distill, by rights, it should be in at least 70%. You'll be trying to get your distill upwards towards 93%. The reason they give you also though here, like from 0, these two will get from 0 to 70% is again, as you're making something like if you're distilling a wine and you want your end result to be 12.5%. So your hydrometer, you'd be using the lowest one and getting just a couple of notches over 10% the last hydrometer. Now, you'll notice there's little black balls at the end. They are just lead weights, so that when you drop it in, we'll just drop him in here. As you drop him in, he's going to go down like such. Okay, so I'll just that's something. Okay. Now, the other thing they send you with your hydrometers is this is just a standard thermometer. The reason for the standard thermometer is, and again, you just pop him in, red end there, down. You just pop him in and see what the temperature of what your spirit is. The reason for that is that your hydrometers are all calibrated at 20 degrees. So if it gives you a reading of say 15% alcohol, that's assuming 20 degrees. So the other thing that they should give you is tables. And these tables are all about recalculating that if you test your liquid and find that it is not at 20 degrees, it's higher or lower, then the percentage of ethanol will be out by a little bit. So if the temperature of your spirit is higher than 20%, then it's going to be less ethanol. If it was less than 20%, then it's going to equate to a little bit more. But it's kind of splitting hairs. If you're around about the 20% mark, should be okay. And that's about it for distilling, guys. We've got another video on brewing for those who want to know about